I'm involved in ISB, so Instrumental Science Board. I'm very active in active noise mitigation division. There I'm working on Newtonian noise, so yeah, I'm working on also on site characterization of Sardinia. That is one of the candidate sites of Einstein Telescope, where we want to do both atmospheric Newtonian noise and seismic Newtonian noise. And characterizing the site, we want to help Sardinia getting us Einstein Telescope. And we also do have at LNGS Gemini, that is the first underground facility that will serve also for development of inter-platform control. That is very, very limiting now for Virgo, for example. These low-frequency noises, and yeah, what I also am focusing on is reinforcement learning for controls. So we already demonstrated this at LIGO, so we want to use this now, demonstrate it at Virgo, and then transfer all this knowledge to Einstein Telescope.